So hey, what's up guys, this is Desang Gaming YouTube channel and today we're going to compare the new Qualcomm processor 775G versus the Snapdragon 750G. Both are the mid-range processors, so let's get started. Please note that all of these said information are not 100% accurate as these processors are still not public yet and a following has been told on the leaks and rumors. But these are the performance that we can expect. So let's get started. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 775G will be a chipset manufactured in a 6 or 7 nanometer process as the official details are not out. The graphics used in the 775G is not yet declared yet. Now talking about the Snapdragon 750G, it is a chipset that is manufactured in 8 nanometer process. The graphics used in the 750G is Adreno 619. Let's talk about the performances. In the CPU performance, the Snapdragon 775G scores 70. In the gaming performance, it scores 73. In battery life, it scores 98. And in the overall review, it scores 79. Now let's talk about the CPU performance of the Snapdragon 750G. It scores 48 in CPU performance. In gaming performance, it scores 42. In battery life, it scores 77, and in the overall chip score it scores for 54. So we can say that the following information that the 775G is a big upgrade from the Snapdragon 750G from all aspects and especially the battery consumption. So now let's talk about the benchmark tests. So in the benchmark test of the Snapdragon 775G, the Geekbench 5 single score is 876 points, in Geekbench 5 multi score 2115 points, and in the Antutu 8 benchmark it scores 5,30,000 points. So let's talk about the benchmarks of the Snapdragon 750G. In the Geekbench single score it scores 616 points, in the Geekbench 5 multi score it scores 1771 points, and in the Antutu benchmark 8 it scores 3,24,457 points. So from the following benchmark tests of the processors, the Snapdragon 775G is a clear winner and it wins by an extremely high score in all benchmark tests. So we can finally say that in 2020 the upcoming processors for 2021 are going to be extremely exciting and powerful. Now please also note that these benchmark scores vary from time to time as these processors are still not out in the market but in the testing. But we can expect the 775G to be the best Android mid-range processor as of now. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. Subscribe to Desang Gaming. Thank you.